Welcome. Today we'll look into number base that will lead us to equations. At times, some number-based question will lead you towards equation. Look at this. We're asked to find x. Find the base where this thing is happening. If you are smart, let's say we have option A, 2, option B, 5, option C, 6, option D, 8. If you are smart enough, this operation cannot be in base 2 because I have seen 2 here. Also 5 cannot be the answer because 6 is bigger than 5. Also 6 cannot be the answer because in base 6, 6 is not allowed. Therefore, I will choose 8 as my answer. But that's not why we are here. We are here to learn how to solve stuff like this. So how do we do them? We simply convert the entire equation into base 10. We know how to work with equations on base 10. Yes. So convert the entire thing to base 10. What do? You label 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. Yes. So let's convert. We will do 3 times x power what? 1. 3 times x to what power? 1. Plus 6 times x. 6 times x. Let's use dot as times. 6 times x to what power? 0. We are done for this place. Plus something here. We have 2 times x. 2 times x to what power? Power of 1. Number on top of 2 shows us the power. Conversion to base 10 is what you should know by now before going to equations. Check the video to know how to convert to base 10. So plus. Next is 6 times x. Power of what? 0. That's it. Equal to, over here we have 6 times x. 6 times x to what power? 1. Plus 4 times x. Let's use dot. To what power? 0. That's it. So that's our conversion. So this will give us 3 times x is 3x. 3x power 1 plus x power 0 is 1. 1 times 6 is 6. So this plus, here will give us 2x. Yeah? Plus x power 0, 1. 1 times 6, 6. Equal to 6 times x is 6x plus x power 0, 1. 1 times 4, 4. So we collect like terms. That will be 3x plus 2x minus, copy over, 6x. Equal to, over here we have 4. 4 plus is going over comes to minus 6. Plus is over minus 6. So we have 3x plus 2x, 5x minus 6x. We have minus x is equal to 4 minus 6 minus 2 minus 6, that's minus 8. Minus can cancel minus, yes. Minus here, we remove the minus here. So x is equal to 8. And that's the answer. So our base for this operation is base 8. I want you to know how to solve equations in different bases to help you. Let me show you something. Here it says solve for x and leave your answer in base 6. Can we? Yes, we can. Now how about solving this? You know, anything without a base is assumed to be in base 10. So let's solve this. Let's say solve it. Then leave your answer in base 6. Let's solve and find x first. Then our answer will convert it towards base 6. Solving this in base 10, normal base 10 solving, that will be x is equal to plus 5 going over, that will be 12 minus 5. So x is equal to 7 in base 10. Yes. But we're asking for answer in base 6. So what do? We have to convert 7 to be in base 6. And how do we do that? We'll divide 7 by what? 6, sorry. Base 6 means divide 7 by 6. And that will be 1 remainder 1. Right? Yes. Always write down the remainder and carry 1. So carry 1 now, when we add it, nowhere, so we'll bring down the 1. That will be 11 in base 6. So 7 is 11 in base 6. Is it clear to you? Yes. If it's not clear, you can still do your normal division that goes like this. You go by 6. 7 by 6 is 1, remainder 1. Go again. By 6, you have 0, remainder 1, remainder 1, 0, remainder 1. It now counts up. You have 1, 1, in base 6. That's it. So therefore, we can say that if x is 7 in base 10, it means that x is equal to 11 in base 6. Now, what if the question asks us to solve, to do our solving in base 6, like assuming to be base 6, here, base 6, here, base 6. Can we solve it like that? Can we solve the entire equation as if everything is in base 6? Yes, we can. In the case whereby you have a question like this, where they're all in base 6, what do? To solve, you convert towards base 10 first before solving. So x is in base 6. The way you convert to base 10 is the one having more than 1 digit. These ones are safe to be like this, provided the numbers are lesser than the base. Yes, so these two won't touch them. But these 2 digits have to convert. That will be x in base 6 plus 5 in base 6. Assuming here is 7 or 8 or 6 itself will convert. Equal to, this will give us 0, 1, right? That will be 1 times 6 plus power 1, yes, plus 2 times 6 power 0. Yeah. And this is x to the power x base 6 plus 5 in base 6 is equal to 1 times 6 is 6 plus 2 times 1, 2 plus 2. That's 8. Yeah. Now, in base 10, 5 in base 6 is same as 5 in base 10. So this is now in base 10, right? Yes. So we can say x in base 10 is equal to 8 minus 5. And that is 3 in base 10. Answer. In base 6, 3 in base 10 is also 3 in base 6. 5 in base 6 and 5 in base 10 are the same. Base 10 gives us 8 minus 5, and that's 3. So something like this will have x is 3 in base 10 or something as 3 in base 6. That'll be all for now.